Hi everyone, I am Darshan. I am the co-founder of Ignite Learn. We are on a mission to enable corporates and the students on the real-world AI skills and tools mastery.
Hi, I'm Shilpa Ramesh. I work as a technical program head in Ignite Learn. I come with 14 years of vast experience from the industry in AI, ML and data analytics.
Hi, my name is Prashant Tavalam. I'm a trainer at Ignite Learn and I'm here teaching some AI tools to students as future skills so that they can pick up good skills useful for their future work.
As a part of this mission, we have partnered with Alliance University to enable their business graduates on the real tech skills required. Let me tell you, how did we do that?
I was training them on Miro AI, how to use Miro to collaborate as a team, especially if you have geographically distributed teams, how can you work with them? So the use of Miro and the power of AI combined, we did a session on that. We also did a lot of sessions on Figma. Figma is your de facto tool to kind of build wireframes and mock-ups so that you can visually communicate your ideas to your stakeholders. Students got an opportunity to learn this because as consultants, you need to visually also express your ideas.
In the industry, AI is used to drive business, improve performance, and solve business problems. At Alliance University, with the help of area chairs, we shortlisted 11 necessary industry-relevant AI tools and skills. In the last 20 to 25 days, we trained them and showed them how can they use it in the real world.
And we're trying to combine all these tools to give them a wholesome experience on how it is to work in corporate with such state-of-the-art tools. And it's been an excellent experience for me as a trainer. The students have been very receptive and they are thinking in the right direction to become future leaders. So I wish them all the best.